Codey Rocky Education Pack 6 Robots. Device connection and firmware update. Preparation 1. Check the battery levels of Codey first. If a low battery level is displayed, plug in the USB cable to charge the device. The 8-port USB charger can charge up to 6 Codeys at the same time. A 10-minute charging can already fulfill the basic needs of a lesson. 2. Download and install the latest version of mBlock. Device connection. Connect Codey Rocky to mBlock in 2 ways, using either a USB cable or a Bluetooth dongle. First, open up mBlock. Then, press the side button of Codey to power it on. USB connection. Plug in the USB cable and connect Codey to the computer. In the Devices section, choose Codey. Next, click the Connect icon. After that, a pop-up window shows up. Click the Connect icon again to complete the connection. Bluetooth connection. Insert the Bluetooth dongle to a free USB port on the computer. The indicator of the Bluetooth dongle begins to blink slowly. Press the button to make the indicator blink rapidly, and then place the devices close together to make sure that they are in range. Once the connection is complete, the Bluetooth dongle indicator will light up steady, and the Codey will make a beep sound. For connecting Codey to mBlock app, please follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Firmware update. For updating firmware, ensure the Codey is well connected to mBlock on your computer. In mBlock, click Setting in the lower left corner of the interface. Then, select Update Firmware. Click Updates to complete the process. Thanks for watching.